Don't say that I don't know you, 'cause oh, I know all about your type. You're the type of girl that texts all day and talks all night.
I want to know where I can go when you're not around, and I'm feeling down.
I'm sitting here crying in my prom dress. I'd be the prom queen if crying was a contest. Makeup is running down, feelings are all around. How did I get here? I need.
I'm a man who's got very specific tastes. Just my type. Oh, you got a pulse in you, I breathe.
I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, open digital run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. 'Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all.
I'll never be what you see inside. You say I'm not lonely, but I am.
I'll be your visco girl. I'll wear scrunchies until I die. Can't forget fairy lights. I'll hit you girls with a hydro flask. Visco girl check.
Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got burn holes in my hoodies, all my homies think it stink. I miss my cocoa butter kisses.
One day being a vsco boy. 1 week of being a vsco boy. 1 month being a vsco boy. Oh my god, I dropped my hydro flask and I oop SKSKSKS.
I don't wanna go to school tomorrow, I can study thinking about you. And you know I always do. I don't wanna go to sleep tonight when I can stay up thinking about you. And you know I always.
I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, open digital run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. 'Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of.
Visco check.
Because I'm 18 and I still live with my parents. Yeah, they're not like yours. Well, yours are more understanding. For real this time. For real this time. Like I never was. For real this time.
I've lost all ambition or worldly acclaim. I just wanna be the one you love.
3 nights at the motel under street lights in the city of palms. Call me what you want when you want if you want, and you can call me names if you call me up.
But I miss you, I really wanna kiss you, but I can't. 99821.
You know that I miss you, I wanna get with you tonight.
This week on Visco Girl Drama.
Tonight we're having a Visco slumber party, but first let me take a picture of the aesthetic sunset.
Aesthetic? Really? I'm from California. Sunsets are my thing. Hey, girly pops. Queen. Oh my god, hey!
Sophie thinks she's so much better than us because she has 200 followers on Visco.
Using her? Of course I'm using Lily for her trampoline. How else am I supposed to have a Visco sleepover? I brought a bath bomb.
But where's the tapestry?
It's in the back of my Jeep Wrangler. But where are we gonna hang this up? Where's the net? Seriously, Lily? Where are we supposed to hang the blankets? Like the tapestry?
I don't know if Lily's cut out to be a Visco girl. I take this very seriously. It's a lifestyle for me.
At least my hydro flask doesn't have any dents in it.
Keep talking like that and you won't be invited to the Shawn Mendes concert on my 16th birthday.
Hey, Jude!
I think you're really cool. I like you a lot. Maybe we can hang out or something. Hey, I think you're really cool. I like you a lot.
my bitch go loco. Slide on a nigga with the fofo. I walk around like that nigga on the trip. Beach boys on a ride home. I can get there with my eyes closed. Exactly 34 minutes after I pull out your driveway, you doubt my. I will follow you home. Although my lips are blue and I'm cold, I don't wanna be your friend, I wanna kiss your lips. Beach boys on a ride home. I can get there with my eyes closed. Exactly 34 minutes after I pull.
I'll be your one-up girl. So let's all jump up super high, high up in the sky. Some power of like dancing. You know that you're my superstar. No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't wait to get out of here. I'll see you at the movies.
Do I use plastic straws? That's a secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. SKSK, Visco girl.
I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, open digital run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. 'Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of